Okay. Right. Next. So now we know the birth year. So this is the year of birth. And this is the year of birth for the second person. And this is the year of birth for the third person, right? So this is how you get the information. And let's analyze further. Next 3 digits. Next 3 digits. Next 3 digits. Right. If you take the next 3 digits, so if it is more than, right, first 2 digits in old ID is birth year, and first 4 digits in the new NIC is birth year, right? Then
should we write that?
Yeah, better. Then next 3 digits.
So even the numbers?
Yeah, with the examples it's better, right? Next 3 digits of the NIC is representing the date of birth. If it is more than 500, that's female. That belongs to a female. If less than 500, it belongs to a male. So all 3 have sent your mother's NIC number. So that is the next prediction. All 3 of you have sent your mother's NIC number. Birth date is equal to, then birthday is equal to the female, or you can say birthday is equal to 699 minus 500, and that is your birthday. 299 is the birthday, right? The second person, it is 854 minus 500, so birthday is 354, and the third NIC, it is 746 minus 500. Yes,
sir, that is 199.
that is
First birthday is 199.
199. Yes, it's 199. The second one is correct, right? Third one is, it is 246. That is for the third birth. This is the date. This is how you recognize the date, right? 199th day of the year. 199th day of the year. If it is a male NIC, you can directly find that. If it is a female one, you have to minus, you have to subtract 500. And this is 246th day of year. But then we have to find what is this day, right? So okay, we know that. So our decision by analyzing this is, what is this day? What is this day? Okay, let's calculate that. I'm going to use Excel, and here I have written all the days, and this is the cumulative day. So what is cumulative day? Cumulative day means here all the months. So let's see here. I have indicated all the months. January you have 31 days. February 29 days. About 29 days තියෙන්නේ අධික අවුරුදු වල. ඒක තමයි මම දාන්නේ මෙතන. හරි. එහෙම තමයි අපි ගන්නෙ. 29 days කියලා තමයි ගන්න. January 31, February 29, March 31, April 30. ඔය විදිහට dates ටික දාගෙන ඊට පස්සේ එකතුව ගන්න. January plus February is 60. January, February plus March is 91. January, February, March plus April is 121. So likewise, you find the cumulative day. Okay, you have to write this as well. After writing this, please write this chart. This is how you are taking the cumulative figures or the date values. This is not there in the book, so you have to write down because this part is not there in your book. You have the first part only. First part, it is there, but the second part, analyzing the second part, it is not there. So then, okay, how to analyze this? So then you know, okay, the first birthday which you have sent, I think admin has sent that. So it is 699 500. 199 is the day. 199 is falling into. So if it is falling into 31, so if it is less than 31, it's January. Less than 60, it's February. Less than 91, March. Less than 121, April. Less than this, May. Less than this, June. Less than this. It is less than this. Then it is July. Then what you have to do is you have to subtract 199. You have to subtract 182, that in previous month total from that. Okay, then the birthday is July 17th. Your mother's birthday is 1973, July 17th. So check whether it's correct or not, right? Okay, the next one. Next one, you said 354. 354 is falling into December. So the date is 354 minus the previous month total. It is December 19th. I think Diliru sent that day. It is December 19th. And 246, 246 fall in here. So the date is 246 minus the previous, this one. It is September 2nd. Correct? Correct or wrong? Hello, you don't know your mother's birthday? Hello guys.
Hello, sir.
Have you checked with your mother? Is it the birthday?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how you find the details. Did you know this before?
No, sir.
Right. Now you know, if you find any NIC number of anyone, maybe you will get NIC in when you are doing O levels, you will get NIC. You can check it whether it's following the same logic. Okay, so before the implementation part, I think you have finished writing this, and this is how you are finding the birthday. And actually, before implementing this, we have to implement small code. And I would like to show one thing also. This is what we have done in grade 9 today. And so we will do this in grade 9 using English medium class. Single medium class, I can make it. This is small, like pinball thing. This is what we did. And we will do in your class also. So here this ball is like, so it will be faster with the time, and you can slow down by catching these diamonds. If you catch the diamond, it will slow down the ball. And you will get 10 additional marks too. Right, this is how we have coded that. And this is for grade 9. So grade 9, actually we have finished coding. pass. Coding class ඉවර කරලා තමයි අපි game එකක් හැදුවේ. For grade 8 also we will be doing that. Right? First of all, I would like to show small decision based example. So let me remove everything and create from the beginning. From the events. Event කියන එකෙන් මම ගන්නවා මේ flag එක. එතකොට මම මේ කොඩිය ක්ලික් කරනකොට තමයි මම මේ කියන කෝඩ් එක run වෙනවා. මොකද්ද වෙන්න ඕන? From the sensing, I'm asking marks. Marks කීයක් ගත්තද කියලා. Then I'm using the control. Events වලින් click එක ගත්තා. Sensing වලින් marks ඇහුවා. Then go to the control. And from control, I'm asking if, then, else. This is the decision. දකුණටද හැරෙන්නේ වමටද හැරෙන්නේ. Likewise, you can take a decision here. If these from the operations, I can check if this marks or if this answer greater than 50, you can tell, okay, you can tell this, you have passed. Okay, let's say speak, you have passed. If not, speak and tell, sorry, try again. Okay, now you are going to click this. Marks 34.
Sorry, try again.
Marks 78.
You have passed.
And you have to tell congratulations now. Congratulations, you have passed.
Congratulations, you have passed.
Okay, this is a simple one. So you can also start this stretch project on a link. You can also go to this link, right, and start coding. When you click this link, you will get this loaded. Main screen please press start creating. Please press start creating, and then you will get this one. Okay, this blue color one, and with some time, right, with this one will be loaded. Then you have to close this window, close the white color button, using white color button, close it. Then you have the cat. Don't worry about the cat. Just try to write a small program. Go to the events. When flag clicked, go to the sensing, ask the question, ask marks, and from the control, get if else, and from the operations, get the comparison is greater than 1. From the sensing, again the answer. If answer is greater than 50, you have to tell, okay, you can use text to speech. Click the plus icon here. Plus එකක් තියෙනවා ඒක click කරලා you can get this text to speech module. This one, the purple color one. Get that. From that you can speak congratulations, you have passed. And again put another one. And then you have to say try again. Now your code will run.
Passed. Try again.
Okay, so this is text to speech based one, right? Text to speech based one. Okay, so next day we can start our lesson from the beginning, because so there are some newcomers also. So we can do it from the beginning and we can start learning.
Sir, my one doesn't speak.
So you are using text to speech module.
Yes, sir.
So what it says? Nothing.
Nothing, sir.
Right, you can use this one, right? You can use the loops, and from loops you can use say. Say you have passed. I have to check that, right? Why it's not working, I have to check that. So you can use this say එක use කරා නම් හරි. Try again. Because then it will print in the screen. Screen එකේ පෙන්නනවා. Marks. You can say you have passed.
Passed.
And if not, try again. So you can use the purple color one instead of the green color one. Okay, with that I'm going to stop for today, and let's discuss next day with more information. Good night then. You all.
Good night, sir. God bless you, sir.
Night,
Thank
sir.
you.
Good night, sir.
Everyone, sir.
Yeah, Sunday.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir.